Hello, gorgeous people. How's everyone doing? How's your 2022 so far? Hopefully everyone's having a best year yet. It's the first month of 2022. Before I start, please don't forget to subscribe, share my channel. Today we're just gonna do a quick comparison about the Glock 19 Gen 5 and my Staccato C2 Duo. We're just gonna weigh it, see which one is heavier, and we're gonna do a size, the length. That's what we're gonna talk about today. So let's get started. Here you go. Face to face. You can see the difference. This is my Glock 19 Gen 5 with Holosun, and I got some threaded barrel. This is all stock internal except the barrel. I've not changed anything inside. I got some magwell over here, and this is my Staccato C2 Duo with my Trigicon RMR Type 2. If you have not watched my previous video, just watch it. This is my sight is from Dawson Precision, and my Trigicon plate is from Dawson Precision too. There you go. Alright, let's start with my Glock 19 Gen 5. We're gonna weigh him. Here we go. It is 22.6 ounce without a magazine and ammo inside. Okay, next is my Staccato C2 Duo. There you go. It's 27.2 without a magazine and ammo. About 5 ounce difference. You know what? Let's weigh my Staccato C2 Duo with my TLR1, so you guys have ideas if whatever lights you guys want to put. There you go. It's about 31.2 ounces. It's about 4 ounces difference without a light. Okay, let's do Glock 19 Gen 5 with my TLR 7A. There you go. 24.9 ounces. Let's say 25 ounces. It's about 2.5 ounces difference without a light. Okay, let's start with my Staccato C2 Duo with magazine. I loaded it with 14 ammo in the magazine. Let's go weigh him first. There you go. As you can see, it's 35.9 ounce. Okay, next is my Glock 19 Gen 5. Same with magazine, loaded with 14 ammo. There you go, about 31 ounces. Alright, we're gonna check the length and sizes. Start with my Staccato C2. Right now it's about 6.5 inches. But if you add from here to there, about almost 8 inches. Okay, let's do the Glock 19 Gen 5. Let's try, let's say I don't have my threaded barrel. Right now it's about almost 7, about 6 and 3/4 inches. But with my threaded barrel, about 7.5 inches. Okay, let's do from the top of my Staccato C2 to the bottom of the grip up. Let's try right there to here. About 5 inches on my Staccato C2 Duo. I'm gonna move it around so you can see it. There you go. On my Glock 19 Gen 5, about 4.5. Okay, I'm going to put my Staccato C2 Duo on top of the Glock 19 Gen 5s from here, from the tip of the front. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's see if I can get some better angle. There you go. This one is a little bit longer. See it the other way. Let's do the other way. Right there. It's almost the same size. The big difference of Gen 5 and Staccato C2 is the weight. Obviously, this is heavier than my Glock 19. Oh, I forgot to mention that this is a Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. I purchased my Holosun plate from C&H Precision. They're very nice. You gotta have this mounting plate for your Holosun or whatever red dot you want. They have pretty much everything. Alright folks, you saw the weight, you saw the length, and you saw it from the top to the bottom of the grip. There you go. They are both great firearms. Can't go wrong with both of them. But it's just how you want to use it. It's about your, if you want to carry it, they are great carry guns like CCW. But if I am going to choose, I will choose the C2 Duo out of the box. No need to change everything, no need to change the trigger or whatever you want to change. This is a great gun, just for me, okay? Don't get me wrong. And Glock 19 is good too, but I've seen a lot of people modify this and they ended up spending pretty much the same as like more than $2,000. They are both great guns. This is the one I usually carry every day. I consider this very good. They are kind of a little bit heavy, but get some muscles. I'm just kidding. Okay, let me show you the trigger so you guys know. This is a stock trigger Glock 19. Alright, you gotta make sure it's empty. I don't want any boo-boo. There you go. This is a stock Glock 19 Gen 5. A lot of people doesn't like the Glock 19 trigger. Yeah, let me turn it around. Reset. A little bit heavy, but this one super light. There you go. Reset. Pretty cool. Also, this one really fits on my hand. Perfect. Feels good though. I don't really have to change anything about these firearms. Once in a while, I still carry Glock 19. It depends on my mood. I'm sure every single firearms will fail you if you don't maintain it. This one, the C2, all you gotta do is put a little bit oil. You know, once in a while, don't get it dry. It will run you flawless. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Just trying to help you guys out about these two firearms. They are pretty much both the same size. It's just the C2 is a little bit heavy. So there you go. I will see you guys next time. Likewise, stay humble, stay safe, and be kind. See you guys next time.